Hello, today we got another video on the 2009 Pontiac G6 GT. Now the customer needs control arm, and I'm going to give you a brief summary of how to remove it. The lower control arm bolt is 16 one end, 15 the other. Two 18mm bolts were removed from the rear of the control arm. There were two nuts above here. They're 18mm. You're going to have an open end wrench or a box end wrench, but it's going to have to get in there and get to those two nuts and bolts. Now, what I thought was going to be the difficulty was getting this front control arm nut out, but it was not that bad. But you are going to have to do a little bit of work. You're going to take this cover here, fold it back. You're gonna I took the top two mount bolts off and the lower bolts off, but I don't know if you have to take the top ones off. I just did it anyway just to give myself some free movement. So when I did that, I hoisted the engine, made sure I put something to protect the oil pan from my hoist, and I lifted the mount up like this and then slid the bolt out through it, okay? Just enough to where the nut can slide under it. I can't do it right here with my hand on the phone, but as you can see, it'll slide right under it. You don't have to go up probably about an inch, inch and a half, okay? And it will slide through this opening here and right under the mount and then back out of that opening. And you reinstall it the same way. I hope this helps. Have a nice day.